Like a boss.
All right, ladies, this is a very important video for you guys, okay? And that's 5 signs that you're a dusty ass woman, all right? There's dusty men out there, right? There's dusty guys like me, but let's talk about 5 signs that you're a dusty woman, all right? And I'll be honest with you guys, there's a lot of dusty ass women out there. A lot of dusty women, right? Speaking of which, go purchase my Dusty Charm sweater. This is my painting sweater, but I use this to draw with. It's because it got a little dirty, but purchase it in the description down below of my merch. People think they're slick, right? So you guys would really love it, right? So let's talk about 5 signs that you are a dusty woman, right? Now, what's a dusty woman? A dusty woman is pretty much the version of a loser as a man, right? And a lot of women don't know they're dusty because they're just focused on how hot they look, right? But notice what happens when you take away your looks. What's left? Dustiness, okay? So let's talk about 5 signs that you're a dusty ass woman, right? The number one sign that you're a dusty ass woman, not the number one, actually is nothing order, right? But the first sign is that you use way too much makeup. You rely on makeup, right? You rely on fake hair, all right? You rely on fake nails. Everything is motherfucking fake, even your height, right? So whenever you see a woman who has nothing wrong with some makeup, I put some makeup on, right? Nothing wrong with some makeup. But when you have a fucking layer of makeup, where you can't even see your flesh tone because of how much makeup you have on, and when your hair is fake, where your nails are fake, right? I be seeing that in the Bronx with Hispanic. My fucking cousins used to do that shit too, man. I had dusty ass cousins, right? Because we're Hispanic, we're from the hood. Right, so you just saw a lot of that, and usually I'll be honest with you, the women who wore the most makeup, like thick layers of makeup, who relied on their makeup, who took 3 or 4 hours to get ready just to go to the fucking bodega, right? Usually, deep inside, there were some evil bitches inside. Like, not all the time, but usually. So, ladies, look, man, nothing, I'll be honest with you, nothing looks more ridiculous than a woman who has too much makeup. That's the truth. Like, you look like a clown, right? It's like guys who, you know what I'm saying? Like, it's just clownish, right? So that's the number one sign. When you rely way too much on makeup and fake ass hair, right? And fake nails, everything's fake about you, man. We got to put you through a fucking MRI scan to see what part is real, okay? The second part is when you're loud and obnoxious, right? When you get questioned, you get loud and obnoxious, right? And you even clap your fucking hands, right? That to me is somebody that's holding in a lot of anger and can't control their emotions, right? So that's one, right? The third, you see that a lot in Jerry Springer. The third sign is that you are materialistic. You value money above everything else, right? Whenever you meet a guy, you ask yourself, what can he earn from? How much money does he have? There's nothing wrong with that. The problem is when you can't turn it off. You see what I'm saying? Because I tell guys, get the pussy. I tell guys, get the pussy, right? And I even tell women, go get your money, right? But when you can't turn it off, when it's the number one controlling aspect of who you're gonna date, when money is the number one motivation as to who you're gonna date, that's a problem. That's a problem because you have maybe you came from a broke background, but that means you'll never develop a healthy relationship, or better yet, the likelihood not we're not speaking in generalities, but the likelihood of finding a guy that you truly love will go down, right? The fourth sign is when somebody who loves taking revenge, right? When you love revenge, right? When you can't just let things go, right? When you always gotta when you always gotta be on top, when you always have to have the last word. When you're a woman who likes getting revenge, or if you're somebody that has gotten revenge on a guy or somebody consistently as a habit, you're a dusty ass woman. You can't control your goddamn emotions, right? Now, the last one is when you name call a guy, right? Name calling, right? And this happens a lot, right? Particularly with women. Women love name calling each other. You're a hoe. You were this. You were that. You know what I'm saying? Like women, like I've seen women bullying other women. It's fucking vicious, right? So when you're somebody that relies on name calling, my sister used to do that a lot with me, right? When I was little, when she used to get mad at me, she would name call her. And am I saying that my sister's dusty? She was dusty at one point. My sister was dusty. She's a reformed dusty, right? But my sister at one point was definitely a dusty woman, right? But now she's cool right now. But the point is that when you're somebody who name calls, that means you have a lot of pain inside of you, right? And there's nothing wrong with name calling, right? There really isn't. But when you do it consistently as a way to inflict the pain on somebody else, that's a problem, right? Now, where all of this said and done, the real last sign of this, the real sign of this is if you watch this video and you're mad. That's the number one sign that you're a fucking that you're a dusty ass woman. If you watch this video and you're mad, if you watch this video and you're so mad that you have to comment an evil comment, that means you're dusty. It means you're dusty. It means you're as dusty as I am, right? And that's how it is, man. You know, it is what it is. Anyways, people, don't forget to purchase the merchandise. People think they're slick, right? Dusty Charm, go check it out over there. And yeah, man, I hope you guys have a great day and stay dust free. Take care. Also, as a public service announcement, don't forget to hit the notification. All right, the notification is to get notified because I'll be doing live streams on my book club, but I'm going to be deleting it and then uploading it to my Patreon. Right, so go check it out. Hit the notification because I'll be having the Robert Greene Book Club. And then I am going to subscribe to my Spanish channel that I have. I have a version Spanish channel of this in Spanish. Okay, so you see that in the description down below. And also check out my new book club, my online book club. On the description down below, I have a new channel called the Book Club. And subscribe to my Instagram also because in my Instagram I'm gonna be giving free advice on weekends. Right, I'm gonna be recording that free advice and then posting it on my Patreon. Right, and then on top of that, I'm gonna be doing a seminar in Europe next year, so go check in the description down below if I'm going to be going to your country.
All right, ladies, so this is the course that all of you guys have been asking me for, and it's the psychological game of attraction. This is pretty much the course that will make any man beg to want to commit with you. This is the course that I wish, I'll be honest with you, if I was a woman, this is the kind of course that I want because it's a course that's specifically geared to help you understand how guys fall in love and how to do it in a systematic way that's almost predictable, right? So let me show you guys how this course is set up. By the way, there's a 30-day money back guaranteed on this course. So if you guys don't like it, you guys will get money back. Look, let me show you how it's done, right? So it's split up in a few sections. The first section is the introduction, obviously, what to expect from it. After that is I'm giving you an understanding of the psychology of attraction, right? Because you need to understand that dating is a game. You need to think strategically, that there are certain laws of human nature that you cannot break, and just a few things of why people love each other. You know, it's very important to have a realistic expectation. After that, we go into the three phases of every relationship. They all go in these three phases, and these phases could overlap each other at times, right? The first phase is the pre-honeymoon period. It is when you first know the person, or it is when you're becoming acquaintance with the guy, or it is when you guys broke up and are back together, or it is when you guys had a long period of you guys not knowing each other and now you guys want to rekindle things. This works in any point of the relationship that you need to spark interest and curiosity. So these videos are specific for that. Specific to create curiosity, how to get to know the guy the right way, using your non-verbals, how to create a powerful reputation. It's truly powerful stuff. After that is the honeymoon period. This honeymoon period is how to get from curiosity to interest to creating a deep connection. So all of these videos are specifically geared to that. Not the 30, no. These specific videos are there for this phase, and this phase is any phase. You guys are having a good, happy moment. You guys just got back together, and now you feel that peak. You feel that happiness that you guys felt. That's what this is, right? So these videos are there for that, creating a lonely fantasy, the preemptive breakup, the triangle of love, using words to control his man. It's powerful stuff. After that is the post-honeymoon period, and again, is a short list of videos because these videos are there to solidify the connection that you already created. So if you just had an incredible moment, or you just came out of a vacation with a guy and everything went well, you better use this phase, because if you don't do this, he's gonna become disenchanted. It's just how it is. These are very specific videos, and if you and all you gotta do is just say, all right, where am I? I tell you where you guys are, and you just watch the video. It's pretty much like being coached by me. You got some bonus videos, stop being nice, dealing with the inevitable, how to deal with breakup, how to deal with getting over a dude. This is the how to overcome manipulation, identifying manipulation, deterring manipulation, defending yourself against manipulation, what to do if you're already in a manipulative relationship, and how to avoid them through detachment. It's pretty much It's an extremely succinct and laser focused course. Not one waste of motion. That's why I love it. And there's a 30-day money back guarantee if you guys don't like it. No questions asked, people. All right. And if you guys want to support this channel, this is how you support it. And I hope you guys enjoy this. All right. See you guys inside.